If you want to block a sender from Yahoo Mail, this is how you're going to do it. So if you find a sender annoying, or if you don't want any more emails regarding or from the sender, you're just going to have to follow this tutorial in order for you to block them and to stop receiving mails from them. So let's say that I want to block a certain sender. So for example, this one, I no longer find this useful and don't no longer want to receive emails from them. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on this checkbox right here at the left side of the name of the sender, and then from there you're going to head over at the top toolbar. Now from here you're going to click on this three dots icon. You have here one more option for this message. You're going to click on block sender right here among the menu that will appear. So you're just going to click on block sender, and then you're going to choose whether you want to block all future emails or if you just want to delete all existing emails along with blocking the sender. So, if, for example, you're just going to click on block all future emails and you're just going to leave this unchecked, this will make all of their future emails blocked on your account, but all of the existing emails that they have sent will not be deleted. So, for example, the sender that you're going to block has important mails for you in the past. You can keep them by just unchecking this one. Now, for example, you this one is left unchecked. This would mean that you will still receive future emails from them, but you will delete all of the existing emails that came from them. Now, if you leave these both checked, then that will completely block them off from your email list or from your inbox. Now, you're just going to also have to verify that you want to block email or messages from the following senders so that you have here their email. So you're just going to make sure that you double check it so that you would be sure that you're not blocking another sender or like a wrong sender. And once you are verified or once you have them verified, you can just click on this block button right here in the red font or the red button right here. Just gonna click on that, and as you can see here, the blocked sender has been added. And that's it. That is how you're going to block senders from Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. And if you need more tutorials, you can just check out our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.